What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sudichi John Valencia, and welcome back to True Lasia Diaries. A mega love shoutout mga ka-Jeromantics. Another reaction video para sa performance ni Jerome sa Bataan with the KDR band, and this is for If I Can Dream. Yes, this is one of my favorite song of Jerome na kinakanta niya because for me, this is the core song of Elvis Presley ni Jerome. Lalo na nung napanood ko yung kanyang rendition ng If I Can Dream. Yung nasa kwarto siya na may ganitong microphone tapos kumakanta siya ng If I Can Dream, guys. Kasi nag-react tayo dyan sa Who Sang It Better ng If I Can Dream. At talaga naman doon talaga para sa akin nagsimula. So I love this song for Jerome. Kaya naman excited tayong i-check to for today. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chula Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Ay, nasa taas na siya. Diba? Kasi parang dito nagsimula yung yung pagiging Elvis Presley ni Jerome. At talaga naman, he dreamed for it and now, eto na yun. Ang fresh talaga ni Jerome ngayon. Diba? Tas bagay na bagay sa kanya yung lyrics ng kanta that why can my dream come true? Right? So ngayon, he's living this dream and more to come. Diba? Very inspirational.
There must be peace and understanding sometimes.
Love the low tone talaga. Even low register.
Promise that will go away.
Iba yung vocal dynamics ni Jerome sa kantang to. Pinapakita niya talaga yung range at saka versatility niya in terms of vocal dynamics and the nuances of Elvis. Grabe. Very heartfelt din and emotion. Very inspirational. Ooh, love that growl. Oh! I love that part. Iba yung hagod sa kayo atake kapag merong styling na gano'n ng version. Sobrang ganda ng pagbali ng song. So, balikan natin yung part na yun, guys. Diba? I love it. Love it. Overflowing emotion. Grabe yung emotion. I love it. Hey! Sa indiction. Hey! Oh. Hey, give it! Grabe. Grabe yung hampas of emotion. Balikan natin, guys. Grabe yun. I love it. Nakita niyo naman, give na give ang Jerome. Hey! Love that. Hey! Oh my God! Wow! Goosebumps. Woo! That's how you end it! Oh my gosh! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardomen singing If I Can Dream. Oh my God. What an emotional roller coaster of performance. Tapos super relate din tayo dun sa kanta kasi talagang ang naiisip ko talaga yung bedroom cover niya while he's singing this kasi dun talaga nagsimula The dream started there. 'Di ba? At nakita mo naman saan niya na pine-perform tong kanta na to in front of a lot of people. Grabe. Grabe talaga yung inspirational story ni Jerome from singing inside the bedroom to the world stage. Ganun yung atake. Grabe. Kaya nakaka-goosebumps and grabe yung emotion, yung kanyang dedication pag kinakanta niya rin tong kanta na to. Kasi sobrang, for sure naaalala niya yun, no? That he started in that same bedroom. Tapos ngayon, nasa stage na siya. So, sobrang nakaka-inspire. And what a vocal, of course. It's not only the nuances of Elvis or the vocal of Elvis, it's Jerome Ebardome. We are watching. Grabe yun! Kaya naman, ano masasabi niyo dun, guys? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin sa comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.